Welcome to another week of Finance Talk with myself, Sophia. Each week we share different topics in the finance space and along with property investment and how you can navigate it for yourself and your business. This week's topic, we're looking at different ways women can learn to successfully even invest in property. So here we go. So how do you start your education into property? You are looking to invest in property and want to know how to properly assess it's worthwhile for an investment. Savvy Women aims to educate women interested in the property market, giving you the confidence to pursue your plan of action. So how then do you start? Read below in our blog that we put out every Monday, tips and ideas on what you should do to prepare yourself for property investing. You can also sign up for an educational course, which is online, that will help you to navigate how to get into investment and pad out your understanding of the property market. You can also sign up for our educational courses by starting with online. That will help you to really get an understanding of where you are now and where you want to be. Not only does it take a reputable course increasing your knowledge of the subject, it also expands your confidence. You will come across a business savvy woman who knows your stuff. Respect your continuing expertise. That is myself. Our online courses cover subjects such as the benefits of investing in property, how you can become financially secure, choosing the right property strategy that works best for you, how to find the best deals out there. This is a helpful tool in learning about your property journey and your property education. Depending on how keen you are on getting going, there are many free resources that we have on our online platform. Or maybe you want to opt for a course that will provide you with a certification at the end of your time, like our AQA accredited property courses that are available now. In any case, Savvy Women Group has free complete beginner's guides for your property journey. So sign up and get a pack sent out to you so you can understand what it is to invest in property. So read more and read some more. Books are such a useful tool to help you because it really allows you to really deep dive into your knowledge, and it doesn't limit you for your curiosity. If you have a tablet or Android phone, you can download ebooks, which we have on our website as well, so that you can reference to them anytime you need to. It is essential to read or take in something regarding a topic daily in the property space, so that you can get into the mindset of becoming an entrepreneur and have a successful business that you've created brick by brick. So my top recommendations for this month have been, and I'm going to start with myself shamelessly, Women Investing, How to Become a Savvy Woman in Property Investing and Nail It. That was written by myself and we launched that on the 1st of October. So go ahead and find that link. It will be in our comments and you can find it on Amazon. It's up for sale now. It's a good read, so go ahead and purchase that. You also have Property Magic, How to Buy Property Using Other People's Time, Money, Experience by Simon. Also, Multiple Streams of Property Income, Building a Passive Income with Multiple Property Strategies by Rob Moore. And 4, the book on flipping houses, How to Buy, Rehab and Resell Residential Properties, Fix and Flip by Jay Scott. So go ahead and look at those books that I've recommended. These will really help you to get into tune with what you want to become as an investor. And also, even if you're not even thinking about it, go ahead and read them because it really helps you to build confidence in any business that you want to do. So expand your research. Try networking in groups or areas that you're looking to invest in. Networking can help you gain further knowledge of the area and the people that live in the area. While networking, see if local brokers or estate agents will be willing to take out time and show you the listings that they have so that you can see firsthand how it is done. That is another good way of learning about properties. Another tip is to know when educating yourself on properties in the local area you are wanting to sell in, get familiar with the area so that when you take up any property or you're looking at any property or any potential clients, you'll be amazed how much information that you can tell them about the area that you're about to invest in and the area that you are looking to sell a property in. They like for you to do this because it really helps you as the person with the expertise and the knowledge to help them navigate the sale or you purchasing a property. Find your niche. Research your niche online. Check out a residence area blogs. Bloggers research information that they can write about. So you might come across some helpful information on the area you're looking to locate in to do your investments in. Information on specific topics and areas will be helpful in educating yourself on the area and property that you're looking at. YouTube video blogs, more commonly known as vlogs, can be outstanding for learning new skills and tricks of your property market. They have some good tutorials on sites like YouTube, for instance, that you can help you find educational videos, specific topics to research. Our favorite YouTube video this week comes from Break, Ultimate Steps to Buying a House. Podcasts, we run a podcast each week on a Friday. So go ahead and look at the Savvy Property Investor Show. In our season 2 podcast, packed with exclusive content, we invite new guests each week and share the knowledge with you. Find us on the podcast streams such as Apple and also Spotify and every other platform out there that hosts podcasts. We are on it. Dreams and thoughts. So my final thoughts for you today is there are so many good resources out there to help you educate yourself on properties and what areas are good to promote. It may be a little overwhelming as you start out, but the more you get to know the area that you want to invest in, make sure that you register with enough estate agents so that they can send you properties as well, the more clientele you will have. The better chances you will have to greatly understand the property market that you're going to be selling in. This is incredibly good investments and opportunities for you and your family. For a 45-minute free, no obligation property and business consultation, call me in checking with myself and book a slot now. You'll find all the details coming up. So if you really want to reach out and make a connection with me in order to book a free consultation so you can understand the property strategy you want to get into, what area of the country you want to invest in, please feel free to reach out to me and book yourself an appointment on our website at savvywomen.co.uk. You can also contact us through our social medias. That's 50 Savvy Women on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and also LinkedIn. Remember, I offer a free consultation so I can help you progress in your property journey. I wish you all the best. Thanks for listening and see you next week in our finance talk.